polygons. You need to know what a regular and irregular polygon is and recognize triangles, pentagons, etc. So can you pause the video and maybe try to write down what a regular polygon or irregular polygon is? And also write down the names of all the polygons from a triangle, a 3-sided shape up to a 10-sided shape. So what's the name of a 4-sided shape, a 5-sided shape, a 6-sided shape, and so on. Pause the video and give that a go. So, a polygon is a 2D shape made up of straight edges. So a semicircle wouldn't be classified as a polygon. It's not a polygon. A regular polygon has equal angles and equal sides. That's what we were looking for the definition of regular polygon. That means an irregular polygon does not have equal sides and equal angles necessarily. So the first one, a 3-sided shape, is called a triangle. If it's regular, it would be an equilateral triangle. A 4-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. If it's regular, it will be a square. A 5-sided shape is a pentagon, 6 is a hexagon, 7 is a heptagon, 8 for octagon, 9 for nonagon, and 10 is a decagon. You might, if you're Googling things, you might see for 7-sided shape, Americans would call that a septagon, so S instead of H.